thumbnail making of.
Hello everyone, going to do a review about these two models from BM Creations. Land Rover Discovery 1 and Land Rover Range Rover Classic LSE, both muddy versions. They're also available in non-muddy versions. I was lucky because they're actually EMS exclusives, but they popped up in the store where I buy most of my diecast, Tom's Model Autos. So I was very happy because dude loves muddy cars, especially muddy off-road cars. Let's not wait any longer. Let's start with this one right here. Limited edition, one of 2016. Were they released in 2016? Nah. Not sure why they used that number. Must mean something, but I don't know what. So yeah, officially licensed by Land Rover. Here we got the barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Some text, freeze the frame. We can see BM Creation is active on social media. Okay, there we go. Okay, these are pretty cool accessories, I have to say. This is very handy. Also for other dioramas. And we got here some jerry cans of it. We got a spare bumper. Yeah, we can take that off, but the downside is these are not weathered, so it looks a little bit silly when you put those on a weathered car. These look pretty okay. You can use them for this weathered car, but again, the accessories are not weathered. But no problem, you can use them for other cars, dioramas, etc. I'm really happy with these. That is cool. You also see that it comes with normal tires and 2 extra muddy tires. I like that. It also comes with a shovel. Pretty cool accessories, I have to say. I was not expecting that. And also good to see that those accessories are also weathered. An axe, an hammer. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, those spare tires, not so interesting for me, but these tires are pretty handy for on top of the car. Yeah. Some extra screws. And we got these normal tires, but like I was saying, you can use them for other dioramas. Very handy. And we got this right here. Change the wheels of the car, also pretty handy. And what is this? No idea what it's for. Okay, that's already a good start for the accessories. Now, I have a lot of models from BM Creation, so I know it's a very good brand, and I think the weathering is also very well done. This is a little bit, no, that's kind of okay. Yeah, I can handle that. Looks a little bit strange, the light, but it's okay for me. Little bit of suspension. Also a little bit mud on the window, but still they don't show you that the windscreen wipers wiped the mud off the window. That would be very cool and realistic. Also, heating in the back window. And we also have a weathered base, which is plastic but comes with a lot of details. I like that. I believe there is also an opening door. Yep, there is. Let's have a look inside. It's a right-hand drive. A nice interior. And the door also opens very well. Yeah. But it doesn't close that well. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Very cool. Wheels are rolling very well. So it would be cool if I can put the tires right here. And then, yeah, maybe this here, or I have to find a place for that. I think I only put the tires on like this, and then it's cool. Okay, let's have a look at the other one. Land Rover Discovery. Here we got the barcode and article number. Freeze the frame if you want to read the text. Yeah, same accessories except for the bumper. But I'm not going to take the bumper off. And here we also have extra tires, same accessories, same tires, yep. Different tires for the Discovery, different rims. Okay, let's have a look at the car. The Land Rover Discovery. Yeah, weathering again, very well done. I mean, this is made in mass production, 2016. I think that's a lot. Let's be honest. Also good base. Heating in the back window. If you liked Camel Trophy, this is definitely a must-have. So yeah, you can take this off and then you can place the other bumper on, or you leave it like this. This is also pretty cool looking. But I prefer this right here. Yeah. Here you can see that. Is this the same? Yeah, and it's a little bit weathered. Pretty cool. And this is a little bit to the back. Both very cool. I'm really happy with these. And I'm so happy that I ordered 2 of each, one in the box and one out of the box. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. By the way, almost forgot. I do have another one. I do have a custom made model of this one. I'm going to show you. Let's see. It's right here. This is custom made. This is made from the non-weathered version. Also very well done. Pretty cool. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Have a good one. Bye.